What's up, kings and queens? It's your girl Stacy, and I'm back today with another video. Guys, I'm going to be making the best fried dumpling you ever taste my way. If you want to see this video, stick around. Alright guys, so I have my flour already portioned out. I'm going to be adding some things in my bowl. Some things are optional, some things are not. All right, so let's get into the video. First, I'm going to be adding some salt, and this is about 1 teaspoon of salt. I have a lot of flour in here. It may not look like a lot of flour, but it's a lot of flour. Next, I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of baking powder. You need that baking powder, okay? Next, I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of allspice. Again, this is optional, but I want to give my flour a little kick. All right, so I'm gonna just add that. Next, I'm going to add some sugar. Just about that much. Then I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of butter. All right. Then we're going to use our clean hands and mix all of this in, okay? We want to break up all the butter that we put in there. This is a lot of flour that I'm making, guys. By me doing this is how I'm breaking up the butter. You want to make sure you give this a good mix, okay? Now, when you're kneading dumpling, the traditional way is to use water, okay? Now today, I'm breaking the rules today. I'm not using any water. I'm using milk. So right here, I have about 2 cups of milk here, all right? You just pour a little at a time and mix. Some people might be saying, milk? If you haven't tried it before, don't knock it, okay? Just go ahead and give it a try. I'm just adding another 2 cups of milk. So in all of this flour, I have about, I want to say about 4 cups or 5 cups of flour in here. Going to continue kneading this until it comes to a ball, okay? So once it comes to a firm dough, I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. All right guys, now my flour have come to a dough. This is what it should look like. I'm going to go ahead and rest my dough for about a good 30 minutes. It's best if you do your dough from overnight, but guess what? I don't have time for that. I'm hungry now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and rest my dough for about 30 minutes. Then I'm going to come back and show you how my fried dumpling turn out. All right guys, so I'll see you in a bit. All right kings and queens, so I am back. My dough has been sitting for about 2 hours. Your girl got comfortable. All right, your girl got comfortable on the couch for a second. All right, so I am back and my dough feels so nice and ready to go into this frying pan. All right, this is my dough and this is the way that I make it into a motional circle. I use my thumb and go around in a circle. All right, some people just go ahead and press a hole in the middle just like so and just drop it in the pot. Normally I just like to do this and make myself a little round cute little dumpling. How do you like to make your dumpling? Tell me how you like to make your dumpling. Do you like to just put a hole in the middle like so and just drop it in the pot, or do you like to press it out like so? I prefer it this way, but I want to hear from you how you like to do yours. Remember guys to subscribe to my channel, like and share. All right guys, so I am back. My oil is hot and I'm ready to drop my first dumpling in. Make sure to put your heat on medium high. All right, let's go ahead. Now, you don't want to put too much dumpling in there to crown the pot, okay? Because you want your dumpling to cook inside out. I can drop one more in the middle. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and cover my pot because I want my dumpling to cook inside out. All right, so when it's time to turn it, I'll come back. All right kings and queens, so I'm back checking on my dumpling. You hear all that popping log one? All right, let's take off this pot and see what's going on. All right, let's go ahead and just flip them over. Let's give them a flip. When you wasn't looking, I dropped this little small one in there. All right, so now I flip these, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cover back on my pot. All right, I'll be back. Guys and queen, let's take a look at our dumplings here. All right, the dumpling might pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. Look at these dumplings, they look so amazing. All right. Let's go ahead and take them out. Get a close up, get a close up. Nice, lovely. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and drop some more dumpling in there. Guys, once I'm finished, I'm going to come back and show you how lovely, brown and crispy and beautiful my dumpling look. All right, I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is the final look of my fried dumpling. Guys, if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Until next time, bye!